Today, we're going to be replicating this skincare ad with Flair AI's real-time photoshoot builder in 3 steps. Step 1. We add a product to our canvas. Step 2. We search for the right background in Flair's template section. Here, we have chosen white. Step 3. We decorate our scene with photoshoot props. First, we'll drag in a sliced orange and place it behind your product. Next, we'll drag in a lavender flower. We'll position it so that it leans on the orange. And there you have it, a full photo shoot in less than a minute using Flair AI.